Hi guys! Why? Why am I like this? Why is my voice so deep? Jeez. Alright, so I just woke up. I'm feeling a little confident about my eyebrows, but I wanted to do a get ready with me, kind of like date, get ready with me. Don't know why I did that. I don't know why I do a lot of things. I don't know why I'm not filming an intro right now. So, I don't know why my hands are ashy. Ooh, let me use a good lotion.
Good lotion. Good lotion.
Lotion review. Hi guys, this is the Victoria's Secret Runway Angel fragrance lotion, and it smells good. Oh my gosh, now I can have close-up shots of my hand. Moisturized. Who gonna clock me, boo? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Robin Taylor, and here I do makeup tutorials, reviews, and giveaways. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and let's get right into this video. So I'm wearing a bonnet, and this is part of the bonnet collection that is coming out really soon. I'll give more detail about these bonnets once, you know, everything's like kind of settled in and all that. But today I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me date night type of thing. Like, I don't know. I already put foundation, and I kind of like the way my eyebrows are done. They're a little dark, but girl, they are precise. They almost look like identical twins today. Almost. Proud of myself. So usually for a date night thing, I don't want to do a bold look, because every time you do a bold look, then the guy's gonna be like, you wear too much makeup, or I wonder what she looks like without makeup. So, you know, you gotta put something soft, but still like when they're gonna be all in love and stuff. Tip number one. So it's still winter time, sort of. So I'm gonna do more of a kind of simple look, to be honest. It's not gonna be that crazy. So I'm just gonna go in with these neutral, can't see. I'm gonna go in with these colors just to kind of mix it and do a transition color. And I'll probably pop some champagne. On the eyelid, and then call it a day. I just wanted to talk to you guys. I needed an excuse to talk to my friends. How's it going? How is everyone? Is that a pimple? I rebuke you in the name of Jesus. 3! All 3 of them? Oh, no. That is ridiculous. The devil wouldn't win today or ever. So I'm gonna doing something super soft so it doesn't look like super dramatic. And those are always my colors to go towards for something that's not dramatic. So I have a friend who recently got into the dating world, and she's really excited, but she hasn't been into the dating scene in a long time. So she doesn't know how to go about things, but definitely knows what she wants. Honestly, if you've been in a relationship for a long time, or you've been involved with somebody for a long time and you're going back into, going back into the dating world, I think the best thing for you to honestly do is love yourself and know what you want before you jump into anything or actually involve somebody else in your crazy little mind. So I think dating is easy once you know what you want, but then again, it could be hard because you see a lot of things that you don't like, and then you just feel like it's never gonna happen for you. But be patient, girl, it will happen. Like, what are you guys' ideal men? Like, what is the first thing that you guys want in a man? Like, the first thing. Let me know. For me, your teeth have to be like, not teeth, but I'm a big teeth person and an eye person. And honestly, you don't have to be the most attractive person in the world, but if you have a bomb personality and I think you're cute, then yeah. But you could look like Hercules and have a shitty attitude. Boy, I'm not giving you the time of day. Like, I don't care how good you look. I've always like never been into like outside beauty, and it's like usually it's like weird when you're younger. You're like, oh, he looks cute, so I'm gonna be with him. But for me, it was just like I see like cute, and I see a little odd little ball. It's cute and stuff, and I'll be like, that one. I'm just popping a little bit of gold on my eye. And I want it to be sheer, not so glittery. So I'm kind of stamping it in and rubbing it in my eye, so that way it's like a sheer thingamajiggy. And then I'm gonna get some brown and kind of just pop that in the outer just a little bit. And then I'm just gonna kind of do the same thing to this eye. I'm gonna put a poll up here for you guys to answer. How many of you guys are single and how many of you guys are taken? I literally just heard my neighbor's heat turn on. This is how intimate this apartment building is. It's so annoying. I don't know why the SpongeBob song was in my like head right now. That's pretty much it for the eyes. I'm gonna put lashes on and all the whole 9 yards. But I need to look for my concealer, boo. Where my concealer at? I told this guy I wanted my nails thick so they don't break, and he didn't make them thick and it broke. This is why I have trust issues. I also feel like when you're dating and you see signs that like, no, this is not what I want, I'm running at the first sign. No cap, bro. Put a lot of concealer on and now I'm stuck. And I have to leave in 23 minutes. Lord Jesus. Like, ladies, you gotta know your worth. Ladies and gentlemen, you have to know your worth. I'm so serious about that, because if you don't, you're not gonna be with the right person. Facts, Slim. Facts, bro. Straight facts. Like, you need to listen to like a bunch of Alicia Keys to know your worth or something like that. Alicia Keys, 21 Savage, Beyonce, all that. How much money you got? A lot. And subliminally speaking, if it ain't working now, it's not gonna work if you have a kid. If anything's gonna get worse. It's not gonna work if you don't have respect. It's just not gonna work. You don't, like, you can't expect you to be in the first stage and not be able to tolerate the first stage and then move on to the second one and thinking that the baggage that you're claiming from the first stage is gonna be easier for you or better for you once you move to the next stage. Literally, being in a relationship is all about stages. It's like you guys get together, you like each other, then you become like, then you like dating, then it's like boyfriend and girlfriend, and then maybe you guys move in together and then you get married, have kids, stuff like that. And if y'all can't respect each other while you guys are like boyfriend, girlfriend, or dating, then no, don't go like, okay, well maybe if we have a kid we'll mature. No, having a kid doesn't, like, it makes you mature in a different way, but not in a relationship intimacy type of way. Like, bruh, that is not gonna help your relationship. And if you're giving him something, well, or even relationships where you're not even official, but you're doing everything for this guy and he's really not doing what he has to do to make you official, like officially his wife or officially his girlfriend, and you're like you're cooking for him, you cleaning for him, you sacrificing for him, and he hasn't even claimed you as his girlfriend. At that point, you need to stop. You need to move forward, not with him, with yourself, and love yourself, because then you know what you want. We're allowing these men to have their cake and eat it too, and that's not what you're supposed to do. Don't listen to Trey Songz. Like, that's why it comes with like self-worth. It really is important that if you don't love yourself and you're not happy being alone and you don't feel fulfilled being alone, like you have to have somebody, then you know you're not ready for a relationship. Once you're really satisfied with like, oh, I don't need this person. Like Valentine's Day, let me go ahead and do something with my girls. Let me go do something by myself. Once you do that, then you're like, I'm secure with myself. I don't need anyone. That way you're not that way you know what you want. You know how to love yourself, so you can see if it's right or not right when it's reciprocated from somebody else. And it's like you can't rely on somebody for your happiness. They can be happy with you, but they can't ever make you happy. And I guess that all comes with maturity. It comes with experience. It comes with confidence, love. Like it comes over time, because nobody wakes up and knows how to date. Nobody wakes up and knows what they really want. Like, we mostly know like, I don't want that. But we're like, so what do I really want? I know what I don't want, but what do I want? I don't know if that makes any sense, but it makes sense to me. And also, don't be looking at these YouTubers as like couple goals and goal this and goal that. You have no idea what some people may be going through behind closed doors, behind the camera, behind all of that. So don't be comparing your life or your situation, your love life, to somebody that only shows you the good side. A lot of people also use like past experiences, and maybe not their experience but other people's experience, whether it could be their parents or friends or anything that they've seen when they were growing up, and they kind of allow that experience to either help to an extreme or damage to an extreme their dating experience. And you have to give everybody a shot. Not everybody is what you've experienced, but you know how to clock what you've experienced. You heard? Don't fall into the same habit, especially if you've been through a lot. If you've been through a lot, you deserve happiness. You don't deserve anyone treating you or talking to you any kind of crazy. Ooh, girl, almost gotta go. Almost gotta go. Almost gotta go. But yeah, know what you want, girl. You are beautiful. You are fine. You are smart. You've been through way too much to not. My camera races because I was trying to talk and it cut me off. I shovel, not you, the camera. Yo, I love wearing eyelashes because look how just it bumps up the look, you heard? But one thing that's so annoying about them is, like, not them, but my eyes. My eyes get really watery, like right here. And then it starts lifting. Am I the only one it happens to, or so I have to like put it a little bit up? All right, so let's hurry up and do some blush. If you're going on a date, you definitely need some blush, girl. I don't know if you're black, it would matter, but blush would make them think, like, oh my gosh, I'm blushing. Then they're gonna look at your blush and be like, girl, why are you blushing the whole time? Y'all know what highlighter I'm using. I'm always gonna use this highlighter, bro. Actually, you know what I haven't used in a while? My Fenty highlighters. Let me put a little me money in Hustler, baby. Strong. I'm glad these highlighters are easier to like blend. Who gonna check me, boo? With this highlight, he giving you a ring. I see my eyebrows. They're not close to identical. They twin. This one's a little more arched than this one, but it's whatever. Let me go ahead and brush this off, girl. Give you that look. Blend, blend, blend. Girl, because if you don't blend, that'll be so embarrassing. Like, there's a sharp line on your face. What is that? Okay. Now for lips. You want your lips to be a little puckered up like this. So I'm gonna line my lips with a brown liner. And then I'm gonna put Pimp Rose Hill, because I'm a pimp rose. That way it's not so in your face. I wanted something a little brighter though. That is not brighter. I want that bright that pink. And we are done with. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.